Do you want to get rich in the brand new era of AI in 2025? Or are you still waiting for the right time while others cash in? Here's the truth. AI isn't the future anymore, it's the present. And people who move now are the ones stacking cash. No coding, no massive startup, just using tools smarter than the crowd. You're about to discover 3 insanely simple ways to profit with AI today. And a bonus tool at the end that made me $100 in just 48 hours. Sounds crazy? Stick around and see for yourself. Do you think AI is only for tech giants? Think again. Anyone with a laptop can ride this wave. The new era of AI has leveled the playing field. And you're standing right at the starting line. Curious how you can start, even with zero experience? Today I'll break it all down step by step. In fact, you can start one of these income streams in under an hour. Ever wondered what it feels like to make money while you sleep? That's exactly what these methods deliver. And I'll prove it to you with real examples. Most people scroll past opportunities like this. But you're here, and that's your advantage. So let me ask you, are you ready to act? Or are you going to let another wave pass you by? I drop these AI money-making tools every single week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe and click that bell right now. Because this channel is your shortcut to thriving in 2025. Alright, let's get into method number 1. This is the simplest and fastest way I know to make money with AI. It's so easy you'll wonder why you didn't start yesterday. Ready? Here we go. Watch till the end for the bonus tool that made me $100. Method 1. AI prompt reselling strategy number 1 is called AI prompt reselling. Sounds fancy, but it's ridiculously simple. Imagine selling tiny scripts that tell AI what to do. That's it, prompts. And people are paying real money for them. Here's how it works. First, pick a niche, job hunting, marketing, health, you name it. Next, create a killer prompt using ChatGPT or any AI tool. Example: write me a follow-up email after a job interview. Package that as a ready-to-use AI prompt. Upload it to marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or prompt platforms. Add a simple cover image and short description. Now it's a digital product you can sell over and over again. I made 5 sales at $20 each before my morning coffee. That's $100, just from words on a screen. And the best part? It's passive. Once you upload, people keep buying while you sleep. Want to know the secret to picking hot prompt ideas? Step 1. Check trending topics on Reddit and Twitter. Step 2. Look at what small businesses complain about. Step 3. Solve that problem with a prompt. Done. Instant product. No inventory, no shipping, no stress. Just digital money. Think about it, digital real estate you own forever. And all you did was type a few sentences into AI. If you want to test demand, list one today and see how fast it sells. You'll be shocked. And remember, your first sale feels like magic. Like this so far? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Okay, back to the strategy. Some people scale this to dozens of prompts. Imagine selling 50 prompts at $10 each. That's $500 without lifting a finger. Others turn it into a full-time store. One friend of mine made over $5,000 in his first month. And he's not a coder, not a designer, just smart with trends. That's the power of AI. Simple inputs, life-changing outputs. Don't overthink this. Open ChatGPT, write 5 prompts, and upload them tonight. Seriously, it could be your easiest side hustle ever. And it's just the beginning. Because once you see a sale come in, your brain clicks. You realize the internet is wide open for AI products. And prompt reselling is your entry ticket. Now let's move to strategy number 2. This one: build recurring income on autopilot. You're going to love it. Ready? Let's go. Method 2. AI-powered newsletter. Strategy number 2 is AI-powered newsletters. Think of it as digital magazines, but automated. Here's the magic. AI writes the content for you. And people pay monthly to read it. That's recurring revenue, your favorite type of income. Let me break it down. Step 1. Choose a niche people obsess over. Examples: crypto news, vegan recipes, fitness tips. Step 2. Use AI to generate short, valuable articles daily. Step 3. Plug them into a simple email platform. Step 4. Charge $5 per month. Boom, you're in business. Even 50 subscribers means $250 every single month. That's rent money, paid by AI. And scaling is limitless. Some newsletters make thousands. All from consistent, AI-powered updates. One creator I know launched a daily AI hacks newsletter. Within 2 weeks he had 200 paying subscribers. That's $1,000 monthly, recurring. And guess what? I wrote 90% of his content. All he did was hit send. Here's a quick tip to grow fast: repurpose your newsletter. Post snippets on Twitter, Reddit, or TikTok. Drive people to your sign-up link. Simple, effective, free marketing. Another tip: offer a free trial issue. People taste the value, then subscribe for more. This model is exploding in 2025. Because everyone wants knowledge, fast, bite-sized, curated. And AI delivers it at scale. The beauty? You don't need to be an expert. You just need to package info in a digestible way. AI does the heavy lifting. You pocket the monthly payments. And over time, your subscriber base compounds. 100 subs become 500. 500 becomes 1,000. And suddenly, you've got a 6-figure digital business. All from an AI-powered newsletter. So if you've ever wanted freedom income, this is your lane. It's low cost, low risk, and high potential. Test one niche this week. You'll be shocked at how many people sign up. Drop a comment if you want me to show my exact workflow. Because it's easier than you think. Now, ready for method 3? This one is creative, fun, and profitable. And anyone can do it, no skills required. Let's dive in. Method 3. AI print on demand. Strategy number 3 is AI print on demand. It's the ultimate creative side hustle. Imagine selling t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding inventory. AI creates the designs. Print-on-demand platforms handle production and shipping. You just collect profits. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick a trending idea. Maybe a meme, a quote, or an art style. Step 2. Generate art using AI tools like Mid-Journey or DALL-E. Step 3. Polish it in Canva. Step 4. Upload to Redbubble, TeePublic, or Printify. That's it, you're in business. Someone orders? The platform prints and ships it for you. You never touch the product. And you earn money on every sale. I uploaded a simple AI art design. It sold 17 times at $12 profit each. That's $204 from one design. Multiply by 10 designs? That's over $2,000. With zero upfront costs. And here's the kicker, trends move fast. You can ride them in real time. Spot a viral meme on TikTok? Turn it into a shirt tonight. Upload and cash in while it's hot. This is how people are making thousands in weeks. And yes, you can too. AI makes design effortless. And platforms handle logistics. Your role? Just be quick and creative. Don't worry if you're not an artist. AI is your artist. You just guide it. Think of yourself as the director, not the designer. Direct AI, launch products, collect profits. That's the formula. Want to know the best niches? Pet lovers, gamers, and funny quotes always sell. Combine those with AI art and boom, instant winners. And don't forget seasonal events. Holidays are gold mines. People buy gifts non-stop. Launch products before the rush, watch sales explode. Print on demand is perfect for 2025. Low risk, high potential. And it's fun, making money with creativity. But we're not done yet. Bonus tool, $100 in 48 hours. Remember the bonus tool I promised? This is the one that made me $100 in 48 hours. It's called AI Micro Courses. Tiny online courses, built in hours, sold for profit. Here's the process. Step 1. Pick a micro topic. Something people want to learn quickly. Example. How to create AI art prompts for Etsy. Step 2. Outline 3 to 5 mini lessons. Step 3. Record your screen with a voiceover. Step 4. Bundle lessons with a simple PDF guide. Step 5. Sell on Gumroad or similar platforms. Price at $20. 5 buyers equals $100. That's exactly what I did. Launched on a Sunday. By Tuesday morning, 5 sales rolled in. No ads. Just organic sharing on Twitter and Discord. And here's the secret, people crave fast learning. Not 20-hour courses. They want quick, practical wins. And AI helps you script, design, and edit fast. Meaning you can launch in hours, not weeks. Rinse and repeat weekly. Build a library of micro courses. Suddenly, you've got passive income stacking. Some creators are earning thousands per month this way. And it's only getting bigger in 2025. The market is hungry. And AI is your chef. So start cooking. Even one micro course could change your bank balance. Remember, my first one made me $100. Yours could do the same. Or even more. The only question, are you going to start? Or watch from the sidelines? The choice is yours. But opportunity waits for no one. Let's recap today's strategies. Number 1. AI prompt reselling. Number 2. AI-powered newsletters. Number 3. AI print on demand. And the bonus, AI micro courses. Each one is simple, proven, and profitable. Each one you can start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. AI is moving fast. And those who move with it will win. So pick one strategy today. Take action. Even small steps create momentum. Imagine where you'll be in 6 months if you start now. Extra income, freedom, opportunities. All because you decided to try. Don't be the person who looks back wishing they acted. Be the person who looks back proud they started. And I'll be right here, guiding you every step. I drop these AI money-making tools every single week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe. And click the bell so you never miss a drop. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Drop a comment below on which method you'll try first. And hit like if you got value today. Let's grow together in this new era of AI. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's make 2025 your year of AI-powered wealth.